For this assignment, we're focusing on the principle of art emphasis, which you can see with the warm color shoe here in the center and the black and white background contrasting that point of emphasis. So the first step is to draw a subject matter. I chose to draw a shoe. I am drawing from observation here. I will also have some handouts available so that you can draw from looking at an image. You don't have to just use your imagination. You are welcome to use a source photo for your subject matter. Once you have your shoe drawn, we are going to kind of round out the corners of that subject matter, just like we did with neurographic art. And then we are going to draw a free-flowing line all across the page. You'll also see that I've chosen to trace some circles in my composition as well. And you are doing this right over the background and the subject matter. The next step is to outline with a Sharpie. And then you are going to round out the corners all over the composition, just like we did with the neurographic art. And then the next step is to draw Zentangles in each piece of the background. I chose to use an ultra fine Sharpie for that step. It's kind of like a pen, much smaller pen. The Sharpie I'm using to round out the corners is a fine point Sharpie. And we will do quite a few skill builders for the Zentangles, so you should have plenty under your belt to use for the background. And once your background is complete, you are going to color the subject matter with color pencil. This is a great opportunity if you did get some great, Prismacolor pencils to use. This is a great opportunity to use those. I am using Prismacolor pencils for this. I really want to emphasize the layering of the color pencils. You're going to choose an analogous color scheme, either warm or cool, and complete coloring in the subject matter. What I'm looking for is the layering techniques that we learned from our skill builder exercises. So make sure that you are thinking a lot about that assignment where we kind of experimented with layering color pencil. And I hope you enjoy this assignment. Bye for now.